Posting daily used to destroy creators. AI prompts changed that. And no, this isn't about discipline or motivation or waking up earlier. It's about something most creators are still missing. If you're a creator, you know this cycle. You start strong, ideas flow, you're posting consistently. Then week 3 hits. The blank screen stares back. It's 11 pm, you have nothing. And suddenly, the thing you loved starts to feel heavy. Here's what no one tells you. Burnout doesn't happen because you're lazy. It happens because you're creating from scratch every single day. That's not a discipline problem, that's a system problem. Most creators treat AI like a magic button. Write me a caption, give me ideas. Random, one off, disconnected. That's not a system, that's chaos with extra steps. The creators who post daily without burning out, they don't use AI tools. They use AI prompts as thinking systems. A prompt you build once, a prompt you run forever. They're not asking what should I post today. They're asking run the system. The shift is subtle, but it changes everything. Let me show you exactly what this looks like. Here's one prompt I run every week. Generate 5 hook variations for this topic using curiosity, fear, aspiration, controversy, and simplicity. 1 input, 5 outputs, 8 seconds. Curiosity. Most creators don't know this exists. Fear. This mistake is killing your reach. Aspiration. This is how faceless creators scale. Controversy. Posting daily is a trap, unless you do this. Simplicity. 1 prompt, unlimited content. I didn't write any of these, the system did. Now imagine this across your entire workflow. Hooks, scripts, thumbnails, repurposing. Content becomes modular. Creativity becomes selection, not stress. Here's what I want you to really understand. AI doesn't replace your creativity, it protects it. When prompts handle structure, your brain handles judgment. When systems handle volume, your energy stays on quality. You didn't become a creator to become a content factory. You became a creator to build something meaningful. But if creating distribution destroys you, you'll never build anything worth distributing. The creators who win long term, they don't grind harder. They build prompt systems once and compound forever. And here's the part most people miss. A prompt isn't just a shortcut. A prompt is an asset. You can save it, reuse it, improve it, even sell it. The system you build today pays you back tomorrow. That's not a hack, that's leverage. If you want the exact prompts I use to post daily without burning out, hooks, scripts, repurposing, thumbnails, I put them in one place, link below. No fluff. Because motivation fades, systems don't. Start building yours.